Hello friends, may you all be safe. Friends, every paid tool definitely has an alternative tool. And this alternative tool, or software, is free. The interesting thing is how easily such software can be found. So let's start the video and see how alternative free software can be easily found. You have to type alternative to in Google search. So, you have to open the first website. On this site, on the upper left side, you will see the text alternative to. Suppose, here I need an alternative to Adobe Premiere Pro. You know you have to pay for Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro is described as nonlinear video editor with customizable timeline. Scroll down the page. Here you will see Adobe Premiere Pro alternatives written. You need this software for free, or open source, or Linux, or Windows, or Android. Here I select free. That is, alternative software that is completely free. Here you see Kdenlive software. And this is its layout. It is free. Open source multi-track video editor supporting multiple platforms and formats. Features include chroma key, color grading, 4K rendering, keyframe animation, and customizable workspaces. Kdenlive offers privacy focus, offline use, and hardware acceleration without ads or registration. And below you will see it written, free open source. And if you scroll down, you will see DaVinci Resolve. But it's not free. We are looking for free software. Scrolling down further, you will see Shotcut, which is free and open source. And its layout is something like this. Shotcut is a cross-platform video editor supporting myriad formats with native editing. It offers versatile resolution supports, capturing options up to 4K. And extensive platform integration through various capture and monitoring services. Scroll down further, and you will see the Olive Video Editor. Olive is a free nonlinear video editor, aiming to provide a fully featured alternative to high-end professional video editing software. Scrolling down further, you will see Avidemux free open source software. Or, you will see it in many software like CapCut, but it is not free at all. You can find free and open source software here. You just have to search for the name of the paid software on this website. As I write, Filmora here. So you can scroll down and download free software alternatives to Filmora below. Or here I search for Adobe Photoshop. You know that Adobe Photoshop is paid software. Now if we scroll down and look at the bottom, we see GIMP here, which is free and open source. In this way, you can find free software alternatives to paid software from this site. And for such interesting videos, like and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.